In this platform, I'll be showing you on how I earned in crypto and bag a lot of money for myself this 2025. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips and updates on how you can earn in crypto. So this platform I'm about to introduce to you. So quickly, firstly, what we have to do, you need to register on this platform. All you just need is your email. You input your email, your login password, security password, and you click on register. Once you're registered on this platform, you can earn free crypto for yourself, free USDT, and start bagging a lot of money for yourself. Remember, I told you that we were going to be having a live withdrawal in this platform. So this is the interface of the platform, and I will be showing you on how I make my earnings in this platform so that you can start making a lot of money for yourself and invest wisely in crypto and earn USDT. So once you click on quantify, so you click on start quantify, my earnings for the day starts loading. And like I told you, this is going to be a live withdrawal. You see that I'll be withdrawing this into my trust wallet. So you can see start quantification, start queuing up, and start executing by order. So you have already invested in this platform and you'll be getting your free USDT is a daily profit. So this is my daily profit in this platform. My earnings 2.25 USDT. This is my what I've made for myself in this platform. Remember, this is a daily profit and you start earning a lot of money. You can see deposit into basic wallet. So we are going to be having a live withdrawal, and this is my earnings. This platform is legit and you can bag a lot of money for yourself. So it's very simple and easy to earn in this platform. You can see my earnings and you can see my profit for the day is 2.25 USDT in this platform, and we'll be withdrawing it. So let me teach you on how you can withdraw successfully in this platform to your trust wallet. So what you just need to do is just click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw in the interface of this platform, it takes you to an interface where you will input the necessary details you'll be needing to withdraw in this platform. So it's very simple. Within 2 minutes, you'll be getting your USDT into your trust wallet. You can see my withdrawable USDT I've earned for myself 2.25 USDT, and you need your BEP20 or your 2ROSC 20 USDT for this. So firstly, what we just have to do is we will be fetching my trust wallet address. So you have to input how much you want to withdraw, your withdrawal address. Remember your security password when you were registered, and you click on confirm. Very simple and easy to do. So first, let's get my address to be able to withdraw. So this is my trust wallet, and you can see I need to get my BEP20. This is what I'll be using for my withdrawal in this platform. So this now let's copy my address. Once you copy it, we are back to the platform. Once we are back to the platform, we have input the necessary details and click on confirm. Once we click on confirm, we are good to go. Within 2 minutes we are getting our US. You can see withdraw success. It has been successfully withdrawn, and you can see the withdrawable is now 0.00 USDT, of which that it has reflected into my trust wallet. So this is my earnings in my trust wallet. You can see it has reflected immediately. So this platform, you can earn in this platform and withdraw immediately. Within 2 minutes you'll be getting your withdrawal in this platform. Very simple and easy to do. So now let me teach you on how you can earn in this platform and start bagging a lot of money for yourself in this 2025. So you can check your dashboard in this platform. You can see me. I still have 3,816 USDT as my total asset in this platform that I can earn for free with my daily profit. And you can see my today's earnings. It has reflected in my dashboard too. So there is a lot of money to make in this platform. Imagine having 3,816 USDT as your total asset, and with a little token you have just invested. So this is part of the investment, and I'll also be teaching you on how you can invest properly and wisely in this platform. So once you click on recharge, it takes you to this interface. You can recharge with any USDT of your choice in this platform to be able to start earning. You have your TRC and your BEP20, and that's it. So these are the VIPs in this platform that you can recharge and subscribe and start earning daily profits. Remember, the higher profit, the higher VIP you subscribe in this platform, the higher money you are making for yourself. So they have from VIP 1 to VIP 13, and you can choose any of your choice. So you can see that I'm in quantity 1. So that is it. There is another way you can earn massively in this platform. You can earn massively in this platform through invitation of friends, and that is acquiring free USDT for yourself without investment. So once you click on invite friends, it takes you to this interface. All you just have to do is copy your referral link, send it to your friends. Once they register with your link, you'll be earning a commission in this platform. You can see build a team and get generous reward. So you are having a free USDT in this platform, so it's possible to earn free USDT for yourself in this platform. Very simple and easy. And once you register and top up to get generous reward, you'll be getting reward in this platform. I hope you find this video very helpful, and I hope you start making a lot of money for yourself. Please subscribe to our channel so you'll be first notified once we upload a good video. Bye.